All right, we are live. I'm on 7 minutes late, but you know what? It is what it is. I only got one video filmed today, which is annoying. So that means there won't be another video coming out later today. But it is what it is. I just got up a little later, but we're gonna try and lock back in and have a good day and take a good trade today. So, hope you guys are all doing well. I got shadow banned on TikTok. I don't know how that happened. I guess you can see here my videos on the past 3 videos before the one I just uploaded. They've all gotten like 1 to 3 views. I don't know if you can really see that or not. So, hey Frenzy, what's up? So it's just like, I don't know what was going on with that, but the most recent video I uploaded has been getting views. So maybe I just need to re-upload the ones that only got 1 to 3 views. It's a little weird, but it is what it is. So first I'm going to take a look at Forex Factory, see if we got any news, and then we will take a look at the charts. So yesterday we dumped down and took out low of the week. So this was the low of the week. If I go over here, this was low of the week. So we took out low of the week. If I go look at this, we have previous day's low. Seems like that's a possible draw on liquidity. So let's mark that out. Previous day's low. Go to 4-hour chart. Yeah, previous day's low seems like a reasonable draw on liquidity. We also have a high of the day, but the high of this 4-hour candle was already swept. So these 4-hour highs were already swept. So it seems like we're at this point we're coming down to previous day's low because we already swept these 4-hour highs, but I could be wrong. As well, these were relatively equal highs. So I could see us coming down, sweeping low of the day, or maybe if not low of the day, possibly at least, what is this, London's lows or Asia's lows? Let's look at this. We have 20 until midnight. Yeah, I'm gonna mark out 4-hour highs swept, top center. We have 20 until midnight. 20 until midnight. So here's Asia. We have 2 until 5. Let me get out my trading stuff. This actually kind of seems like a chop fest. We went sideways during Asia and sideways during London. We don't have news today, so I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. Bitcoin though is having the time of its life, so that's interesting. Bitcoin is on a mission to the moon, possibly. I have a trade that you could possibly have taken marked out where we had this daily inverse value gap, and then Dodgy marked this out as well, and then possibly take profit at the equal highs, but I'm not going to advise you to take that trade. I just mapping that out. But with this Bitcoin chart, we're delivering from a monthly fair value gap, and within that we're delivering from a weekly fair value gap, and within that we're delivering from a daily fair value gap. So internal liquidity to external liquidity. Seems like these equal highs are a very good target, but we'll see. It kind of just seems like it's ranging today. I mostly want to see, like, are we gonna sweep out London and Asia's highs or London and Asia's lows? Because whichever one we sweep out, I feel like we'll go to the other side. Oh, we have equal lows. Okay. That provides us with a possible target. But once again, like, what is this? This is a chop fest. I don't really, I'm not sure. I don't know. Like, this looks a little bit more clean, but you can see we swept Asia's highs and then went to Asia's lows. Typical. Very typical. I feel like London's got to be the easiest to trade, because I swear every single day we sweep Asia's highs and then go to Asia's lows. Like, every single day. I go on the charts and I'm like, oh wow, we swept Asia's highs and then went to Asia's lows. Maybe we should start trading London. Like, how? Okay, it's important to note how we could have gotten entry, right? Because I say it's easy to trade, but if we don't know how we would have entered, then it's not actually that easy to trade. So we sweep Asia's highs. Whoops. Bitcoin. Okay. If we can't actually get an entry, then it's not true. Okay, sweep Asia's highs. Market structure shift. Here's your market structure shift for value gap entry. TGR trade. Your TGR type trade, where you literally just enter on a fair value gap, stop loss above the high. Man, the TGR style trades really are not bad if you know what you're doing. Like, just target like, if when you sweep Asia's highs and then fair value gap, target the other side of the range. Boom, 4-to-1 restore trade. I mean, that's relatively straightforward. Just wait for one side of, like, if it's Asia's range, wait for one side of Asia's range to get taken, and then market structure shift, fair value gap, enter. Boom. Other side of the range. I mean, it seems relatively straightforward, honestly. Like, it really does. But yeah, we sweep out Asia's highs, and then here you see we swept out Asia's highs, and then this was the market structure shift on the 1 minute, and then here's the fair value gap. So that's a possible TGR style trade you could have taken. As for inverse fair value gaps, we had this IFEG. That doesn't look bad. Delivering from this 2 minute fair value gap. I swear, London's just always got the best trades. It's so weird. And then I honestly just target these equal lows, because I don't know, I would want to target Asia's other side of Asia's range, but with these equal lows being such a strong draw on liquidity, you maybe just want to take all off here. Do we still have those equal lows? Where did those equal lows even go? They're on the 5 minute chart? Okay. So we swept these highs. We've also swept these lows now. It's tough because I think there's argument's sake that this is low resistance liquidity and this is low resistance liquidity, right? So I think this is just a wait and see kind of day, unless we get something obvious. Now this is a low, a high, a lower low, a higher high. Wait, no, a high, a low, a higher high, a lower low. So this is a breaker block. High, low, higher high, low, low. High, low, higher high, which sweeps some kind of liquidity. High, low, higher high, lower low. Does it overlap with the fair value gap though? High, low, higher high, lower low. We also had this inversed when this candle body closed back down. Since we have equal lows, this is a possible trade we could take, but I don't know. I'm probably gonna just hold off on that thought. I'm just gonna wait. But there is these equal lows. There's not really a good fair value gap overlap with this breaker block. I just don't even know if that's a good breaker block to take. This is also a 1 hour order block. Oh, shoot. Yeah, 1 hour order block here. It's kind of a propulsion block because we have this order block and now this order block. So we have an order block delivering from an order block, and we have equal lows. Order block delivering from an order block, so propulsion block. Possibly coming into the mean threshold of this order block here. Let me get rid of this breaker block. We have this 15-minute order block here. right? This is also an order block. Or maybe it wants to go run these highs. Yeah, if we come run these highs and then sweep them and then get a better setup, that's fine with me. Interesting. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna close possibly through this order block. So I think, yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. So we might come sweep Asia and London's highs, and then run Asia and London's lows and previous day's low. So let's just keep watching. Low of day, previous day's low. Bitcoin swept this high. Did we get like a market structure shift of some kind on the hourly chart? We kind of looks like we did. I mean, this is like a wick, so it's not exactly a clear. It's not a clear market structure shift. I'll say that. I don't know. On the 2 hour, it's a pretty clear market structure shift. There we go. Or maybe we need to get below these lows for it to be market structure shift. It's kind of ambiguous. Probably safe to get below these lows, right? I'm not sure. Okay, maybe we're going to Asia and London's highs then. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill out and watch on my phone for a bit because I'm just watching. So let me know if you guys need anything. So interestingly, this we swept out these lows. This I learned kind of more about order blocks, and I learned that you can measure order blocks obviously as the top of the series of down close candles, but you can also do the lowest down close candle. So this is an order block as well. So I believe like maybe this is a possible trade you could take. So yeah, it's a 5-minute series of down close candles. And take profit at London's highs. Only thing is there's equal lows. So that's not an actual trade I would take because there's equal lows. I'm just saying if we're gonna go sweep Asia and London's highs and then come to the equal lows, then that would make sense. I just don't know if we're gonna do that or not. I'm kind of just speculating. Anyway, I'm gonna keep watching. I'll let you guys know if I see anything. But essentially, we have. I'm trying to think. We have. Let me mark out all these different draws on liquidity here. Okay, we have equal lows, London's lows. Right here, we have London's highs and high of the day. We have London's highs and high of the day up here. So I want to see like one side of this get taken out, honestly, to determine my bias. Anyway. I'm gonna go back and chill and watch from my phone again. So we got another set of equal lows that formed. The other set of equal lows did form right here. It becomes very obvious on the 30-second chart. So we'll see when we want to go run those, but I'm really tired. Okay, we just hit those equal lows. You know what? I'm gonna turn off my camera and I'll let you guys know if I see something.